In this objective question, they are directing us to understand the statement tissue culture technique can produce infinite number of new plants from a small parental tissue with this specification. They are insisting us to choose the correct economic importance of this tissue culture technique from the given option. So we are avoiding the wrong option to choose the correct option after giving an appropriate reason. Here in this particular option, we are avoiding B, C and D. Why? Because it is not exactly matching the economic importance, and we are choosing option E as a correct answer. Why? Because genetically uniform population is identical to the original plant. Why? Because only one parent is involved. It is exactly inheriting the parental character. For this, we are giving the extra narration to have better clarity. Micropropagation is a process of growing hundreds of plants via tissue culture as homoclones. All of these plants will have same genetic makeup as parent plant from which they were derived. This technique has been used to create numerous essential food plants on a commercial basis, including tomato, banana, apple, and so forth. With this specification, we choose an option A as a correct answer, which is nothing but genetically uniform population identical to the original plant to satisfy the 4 mark demand of this objective question demand.